So you might be having an issue where Facebook, the application, is just not working out for you. Whether it's your Android or iPhone, it really doesn't matter. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is seeing whether you forgot your password or whatever the specific issue is. You may have actually just forgotten your credentials. So make sure you're able to log in where you had the right credentials in the first place. As long as you had that, then you want to try logging in. But if for some reason the application just opens and it doesn't load what it's supposed to, or it just crashes every single time, the first thing you want to do, and this is the thing that pretty much fixes it for me every single time, is to make sure the Facebook servers and everything is in down. So what you can do is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. You can just type in, sites down on Google and see whichever other websites you want to look at. This one does a pretty good job. It's the one I use. And all you want to do is scroll over until you actually find Facebook. Now, if Facebook doesn't come up in the first few ones, then usually it's not down. But if you see Facebook like this, all you want to do is go and click on the Facebook application, just like this one right here, and you want to see if Facebook is down. Now, usually you can tell, like I said, if it's the first few ones, then it's usually down. If not, if it's all the way down here, Facebook doesn't have a problem, or it's at least not being, people aren't really complaining about it. So that means you really shouldn't probably expect issues to happen. So the next thing I'd recommend doing is checking your Wi-Fi internet connection. You want to make sure that the signal that you have right now is perfectly good. So what you can do is make your way over to your settings, and all you want to do is make sure your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth connections are set up properly. If your Wi-Fi connections, if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi, or if you're not connected to a good data connection, then usually that is the issue. Now, if for some reason that doesn't seem to fix it either, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store if you're on an Android, and all you want to do is search up the Facebook application. So just search up Facebook just like how I searched it up right now, and all you want to do here is go ahead and just update this application. So go ahead and click update just like how I clicked it right up there, and you want to update your Facebook app. Like I said before, a majority of the time, if you just go ahead and go about this way, sometimes this can be the issue, and this is probably all you have to do. To fix this issue, all you have to do is go and update to it, and that's probably all you had to do. Now, if that still doesn't fix it, you may want to go ahead and try powering down your phone and turning it back on. You might just want to go ahead and see how much storage you have left on your device too. If you're almost out of storage, that can possibly, be the issue as well. But most of the time, you should be fixed by now, and that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.